Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook search not working problem. Okay, let's start. Follow my old step. At first, your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now click apps. Now search Facebook. Now scroll down. Now click storage. Now click clear cache and clear data. Clear data or delete. Now go back. Now click all permission. Allow all permission. Now go back. Now click Play Store. Open Play Store. Search Facebook and check update. My Facebook already updated. Now open your Facebook. Now click search bar. Search. Now search. By doing process, you can successfully your problem solve. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.